Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can put picture in green screen CapCut easily. So here you just need to prepare the green screen and also the picture that you want to add into the green screen. And here click on the green screen and make it as overlay like this. Now I'm going to adjust the line to match with the green screen here. Now let's remove the green screen by using the chroma key. Go to the remove PG, click on the chroma key, adjust the color picker, and here adjust the shadow and also intensity. Okay, now click on the check icon. You can also adjust the position of the picture by pinching it like this and also swipe it like this. Okay, so when you're done, this is the result. So guys, that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.